Hey guys, this is Sunny. I'm with Tecbasics. Today I'm here to present you with our personal email backup solution. It's a device that we built that goes into your home networking. You just set it up on your home network with your Wi-Fi or network cable, and it takes you 3 minutes to set it up and start backing up your emails from your cloud accounts like Gmail or Yahoo, etc., etc., etc. So it's a device backup unit is what it is. It's a backup solution allowing you to back up everything and organize it as an archive and just access it from any of your home networking devices like a laptop or a PC or a cell phone, etc., etc. Now, let's talk about backing up. When you talk about backup, the connotation here is you back up on a pen drive or an external storage unit or some sort of a hard disk or whatever. That may be true. In fact, it is true for files. For instance, like if you have files here that, let me show you these files like the PDF files or folders or JPEG images and photos and etc., etc., etc. These things can be backed up on a drive like that. You just pop it in and then it just backed up. And so that's what backup means to most people. So I just need a pen drive or I need an external storage device, so I just back up all my stuff and I'm backed up. But that's not the case with emails. Email files are special files. They're specially encoded files which are not seen on your regular file folder. Especially when you're talking about emails like Gmail or Yahoo or anything on the cloud, which you access through a web client. A web client meaning something like this. Like this is a web client. This is not an app, it's a browser. You go to the browser like Safari or Internet Explorer or a Chrome, and then you launch your web app, so that you get to see your emails, you get to write your emails, etc., etc. But these are emails that do not exist on your PC. They exist on the remote server. So every time you come here, you just sort of mirror the remote server images onto your PC. So that's how you can see it. And the same goes with a mobile app. You look at the emails on the remote server, the provider server, like Gmail server or Yahoo server or AOL server, whatever server. So you can't back them up just like that on a pen drive like this. So there's a special procedure to back up email files. The other thing is that even if you were able to back up, say for instance on your PC somehow, some way, you know how to back it up, etc., fine. But then these are specially encoded files. You cannot just take a backup here on a thing and then plug it into another machine and look at it. It doesn't work that way because these are special files. They can only be opened with a respective app, like an Outlook app or a Thunderbird app, any sort of app that's installed locally on your PC. So what we came up with was a way for you to achieve your backup without having to worry about where the files are, how they are located, what do they do, how to restore them in the event of loss, etc., etc. We take all these worries out of the equation. What we did, we went straight by building a device like this. It's a little thing, and we wrote a software that allows you to set up this device and schedule a backup service which simply just goes and pulls all your emails from various sources like AOL, Yahoo, Gmail, Zoho, etc. So we have identified 6 top email providers with which this device is compatible with. It actually hooks into them and then takes all your emails and then puts it here locally. So that way you don't have to worry about losing those emails or losing access to those emails in the event of some sort of a mishap or a disaster, or you get locked out of your account, or something happens, somebody hacks into the account, whatever. We are not saying that's usually the case. On an ordinary day, that's not the problem. But in the event of losing your access to the emails that belong to you, you have a nice little backup sitting right here on your home network. And you can access this with your PC, with your mobile, with your tablet. You can just get in there and access it just like this. Let's take a look. All right, just like this, voila. So now this app right here is accessing this device. So just to give you an example, you can set it up to, you set up the access to your device, plus set up the Wi-Fi access, and then once you've done that, it allows you to set up mailboxes. If you can just take a little close shot here, you can set up Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, Zoho, Mail.com, and you can set up as many emails as you want, not just for yourself, for your entire family. You can do that. So you can just simply go add mailbox. You set up the mailbox, put the credentials, and then it sets it up right there. And that's it. Once you set it up, you just go to a scheduler, and then you schedule your automatic backup. Or if you want it right away, you can do a manual backup. You can just begin the backup, it backs everything up for you. Or you can schedule it so it can go there, whatever the schedule is, like every 6 hours, every 12 hours, every night, every 3 days, every week, etc., etc. You can just schedule your device, and then off you go. That's it. And then once the mails are backed up, you can get over here to your mail browser, and then you pick your mailbox, and it load the mailbox, and voila, there you go. That's how you are able to browse your emails that you backed up. So that's as simple as that. It takes under 3 minutes to back it up, and you do not need the help of an IT professional or the ISPs to help you with it. You could do it yourself. So this is the backup, because mail backup is not a regular backup. Mail backup is mail files again, or special files, the specially encoded files, which you cannot just get access to easily. Those are not on your regular folders like a photo or a PDF or any other documents. So these are specially encoded files. They sit tightly integrated with their providers. So what the mailbox unit does is to get those files and organize them on your home network, just so you have access to them anytime you want, in the privacy and the comfort of your own home. So that's the whole idea behind building this device, and make sure that you have access to your data at any given time. In the event you lose access to the cloud service for whatever reason, for some unfortunate, there can be any number of reasons. There can be a data breach, somebody can hack in, or you could just get locked out because of you forgot one of your devices to authenticate as a two-step thing, etc. Whatever the cause is, but you have a peace of mind knowing that there's a backup of all your data on your home network with the help of the Tecbasics mailbox unit. Thanks, guys. So if you have any questions, we'll be glad to answer. Please check us out on Tecbasics.com. And if you need to reach us, just send us an email, info@tecbasics.com. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.